Meaning of feng shui.
Feng shui.
Feng shui.
Feng shui.
Feng shui. Feng shui is an ancient Chinese practice that seeks to harmonize individuals with their environment through the arrangement and orientation of living spaces. By employing various techniques, such as the placement of furniture, use of colors and symbols, and consideration of natural elements, feng shui aims to optimize the flow of energy, or qi, in a space. This can have a range of potential effects on an individual's well-being and success, from increased feelings of calm and balance to improved relationships and career prospects.